About this item: 2-in-1 RJ45 Ethernet adapter. This Lightning to RJ45 Ethernet LAN wired network port and charging port supports internet access and charging at the same time. You can connect the network cable to your iPhone/iPad for wired network access, providing ultra-high-speed internet access speed, allowing you to watch videos, play games, or live broadcast connections more smoothly and get a smoother internet experience. Fast and stable Ethernet network. Supports fast internet transmission of up to 10 Mbps/100 Mbps Ethernet LAN wired network. The Ethernet port can be used alone, or both the Ethernet port and the charging port can be used at the same time. No longer buffer and disconnect like Wi-Fi or LTE. Widely compatible. Our Lightning to Ethernet network adapter is compatible with iPhone 14, 14s Plus/14 Pro/14 Pro Max/13/13 Mini/13 Pro/13 Pro Max/12/12 Mini/12 Pro/12 Pro Max/11/11 Pro/X/XS/XS Max/XR/8/8 Plus/7/7 Plus/6S/6S Plus/6/6 Plus/SE and iPad Air/Mini/Pro are applicable to iOS 10, iOS 15. Plug and play, easy to use. Lightning to RJ45 Ethernet adapter does not require additional applications or software, just plug it in to enjoy fast internet speed anytime, anywhere. Supports up to 10/100 Mbps Ethernet, which can provide ultra-fast internet network speed. When connected to your mobile phone and network, the blue light will light up and flash, which greatly facilitates your use, so you don't have to worry about whether the adapter is ready to work better.